Hello guys, just wanted to share some quick tips today. So this Terminator here, I've basically given it a base coat of Avalanche Sunset, and then I gave it a gloss wash, which I will get here, this one, let it dry for about an hour, or I normally leave it overnight, and then I washed it with a non-whip and let it dry, and this is how it's ended up. So as you can see, it's pretty good. It's got the details. It's not really, it's a few like stains there, puddles, but overall it's not bad. Yeah. So what I do now is I could use this dry brushing. We'll do some dry brushing. So I'll just shake this. Just to bring out some of the highlights, details. So on here, just wipe off. You can leave, you want to get as much of it off as you can. Leave a little bit on there, depending on how you want, how much paint you want, and then literally just lightly go over it, work it. And you can see how the detail is starting to show. They're all the raised areas. Yeah, and you just keep at it. The layers will build up. So there. You just have to be very patient with this process. Just look at the edges and go towards that way. And then you keep on, and you can see how those areas are slightly highlighted there. So you just keep building it up, and after you've done this layer, put it down, get a slightly brighter yellow, and do the same thing. So you've got a bit of a brighter yellow. This will bring out a bit more. So if you just wipe the tissue more, look how much that comes off. You wipe it off. So there's still some on there. It's very little, and then you just keep doing the same process as you did before, going over it. This is one method you can use. Another one is where you can highlight very lightly and then go in with a brush, normal brush, and then actually paint over the highlights like this. So some people use that Drybrush as a little guide to find out where the lines are. I do a bit of both, you know, whatever works for you. And you keep on doing the dry brushing. So you just keep building up. That's all you're doing. You're just building up the layers. Just building up the layers. There you go. Just slowly. The less paint you got on it, you'll have to basically dry brush it more, which is better because then it won't look as messy. You just have to be more patient. So if you keep on, the more paint you wipe off the brush, the more you'll have to rub it like this, which will give it a less powdery effect. If you have a lot of paint on it, then it will show a lot of the streaks. See if you look at that. That's not bad, it's picked up quite a lot on the face, the highlights. And that's just a little tip that I use. More videos to come. Make sure to subscribe. I've got a free ebook on how to paint Tabletop Plus standard. fast pace. So if you want to download that and sign up, and I'll send regular emails as well, just to keep you updated, and also I send you links to the equipment I use. So sign up and get your free ebook, and let me know what you think as well. So in the meantime, happy painting.